And you know they always say, happy wife, happy life. And this one definitely made a happy wife. So I got this electric driver or screwdriver, whatever you call it, by Fanttik or Fanttik. I don't know. I always screw up names. And typically on most devices, I will say when I get them, I usually expect them to be mediocre or bad. I was kind of thinking this was going to be bad, and I would maybe going to get to test out the hammer again. I was pleasantly surprised. Simple little screwdriver, and this is the really cool thing, is the charging port. Yep, it's USB-C. It's nice to see they are using USB-C on different things now, since I've been using USB-C for probably close to 5 years now and just simply can't go back. And now it's pretty cool to see a bunch of other little devices and everything switching over to as well. Maybe some other companies should too, but that's kind of fruity of them at times, but whatever. And no, I'm not getting paid anything on this video, not even getting any affiliate sales like we typically do on some products. And yeah, definitely we didn't hire that hot model because, you know, last time I checked, we didn't have the YouTube budget for this. We got a few more subscribers to make it to that 500K, but we're getting there, right? Nothing rambling. Let's go test this out. And if you want to get one of your own, check out the link down in the description of the video and you can get your own. You'll definitely see this in future videos because it's real simple and easy to use, especially for installing, say, PoE cameras, and we'll be doing some future videos and just all kinds of other things. Put so you can see. The four-wheeler stop. Freaking four-wheeler. One-handed. Boom. Even countersunk a little bit. I know the ultimate test. Done eating, bro? What? So what's up, bro?
What's up, bro? You have to put the screws in this piece of wood.
Yep, we're gonna screw them in there. What? Right here.
I'm getting a piece of drink.
You can handle that? You can handle that?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Okay, put that in there.
Okay, like this.
Yep, stick it in there. It's in there. There you go. Boom. Okay. Now hold it with two hands. Push the button. Look at that, bro. Whoa! You even did it. Make it go down further. Make it down far. Can you make it down far? Man, look at that. You countersunk that sucker. Huh?
It's strong.
You want to take it out?
Yep. And then make the arrow go down. No. Let's get started now.
Look at that, bro. You can work that thing, huh?
Yep.
Okay. Is that kid approved?
Yep. So where does this go?
Hey, you give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down?